Hey guys, this is Jam of jamonline.ph, and today we're gonna take a closer look on the OPPO F9. I know some of you might have watched the video before of our unboxing. This is smartphone. Well, this time it's not actually the purple one because this one is the newest and latest color, which is Jade Green. Actually, it's a refreshing look of the OPPO F9, and according to OPPO, so it was inspired by nature, okay? The beach, the rainforest and everything, and in line with that, OPPO Philippines is working out with Bantay Kalikasan. They have a partnership to preserve our nature. So that is really beautiful, and as of this recording, this one is available for pre-order, and it will be available this January 12. So if you pre-order, you can get the Rocks Space speaker, which is worth 2,990 pesos. But in case you forgot the specifications, the OPPO F9 comes with a Helio P60 processor, a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus water drop notch display. There's a 6 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of internal storage, 16 megapixel plus 2 megapixel rear camera, and yes, it has a VOOC fast charging with 3,500 milliamperes of battery. There's a 25 megapixel selfie camera too, which is one of its main features. We have reviewed the OPPO F9 before. We love its camera, we love the look of the smartphone, and we love the little upgrades from the OPPO F7, and of course that little notch. So this one will still rock the same SRP, which is $79.90, but this time we got a gold and jade green colors, in which we will talk about later. So what are we waiting for? Let's unbox and let's take a closer look on the OPPO F9 Jade Green. Alright guys, again, this is purple, but it's actually the jade green color. So let's unbox this smartphone. Of course, we still have the manual and also the jelly case. We got the smartphone here, and wow, it looks beautiful, but we're gonna talk about the design of the smartphone later on. Of course, we got here the VOOC fast charging, the micro USB cable, which is capable of the VOOC fast charging, and of course the earphone. So let's take a closer look on the OPPO F9 Jade Green. So you're looking at the OPPO F9 Jade Green, and as you can see, the color is really refreshing, and just like what OPPO Philippines has said to us, it's inspired by nature. Well, I really like the colors. It reminds me of the rainforest, really, and the clear beaches. I actually like the accents. This one has a gold accents on the sides, and also the gold OPPO logo at the back, and also on the camera. So yeah, it's very similar. It's actually similar to the other OPPO smartphones, except that the smartphone now has this white to jade green color. It's actually not the first one to have this kind of color. I mean, the Huawei Mate 20 Pro or the Huawei Mate 20 has almost the same, not the same, but almost the same shade, but this one has a gradient color, and it's actually affordable at $79.90. Again, the specifications is very similar to the regular OPPO F9. We got Helio P60, we got the 6.3-inch display, we got the 6 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of internal storage. However, I would appreciate if OPPO has made a theme for this one that is in line, or a wallpaper that is in line with the color of jade green. So, but I mean, well, it's not really a problem for me, as you can download some wallpapers and also some I don't know, themes on the smartphone, so it wouldn't be a problem to me. But again, the color of the OPPO F9 Jade Green is really beautiful. It's really premium. In my opinion, this is the best color that the OPPO F9 has right now. I mean, we got the red, the blue. This one is really different, and it has a more premium look into it. However, again, got the same build, so don't expect too much from it when it comes to build quality, because it's just the same with the OPPO F9. But if you really want this color, I suggest that you get it now. You can pre-order this smartphone right now. As of this recording, it will be available this January 12. And yeah, so basically everything that I've said on the OPPO F9 before, it's the same, except that we got a more beautiful color into it. really elegant, really sexy. It's really beautiful. So actually, OPPO Philippines has sent us a picture of the OPPO F9 Jade Green. It's in the beach, the sand. I'm actually amazed that it actually looks good in the sand, in the rainforest, and the beach. Well, so yeah, I guess that's it. So if you want to know more about the OPPO F9, you could check out our review at the description below. But if you want to check out the OPPO F9, you could pre-order this one right now at OPPO stores and kiosks nationwide. So it's available for $79.90. You could get a free Rockspace Bluetooth speaker worth $2,990 when you pre-order one. Again, this one will be available this January 12, so be sure to pre-order before January 12 so you could get that freebie. So before we end this video, I just want to tell you guys that Jam Online supports OPPO's advocacy to preserve the beauty of the Philippine Islands. So in line with that, OPPO is launching this photo charity competition along with Bantay Kalikasan Foundation, in which they will raise funds to help Bantay Kalikasan plant 3 hectares of trees at La Mesa watershed. So all you need to do is to like and or share these photos at OPPO Philippines page. So every like or every share, OPPO Philippines will donate 1 peso. So marayo ang mararating ng likes and shares nyo sa Facebook. So yun guys, so if you want to know more about it, be sure to check out OPPO Philippines Facebook page and also my website jamonline.ph. We have the details over here. I'm gonna put it in the description below. So yeah, I guess that's it for our video. So if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if hindi pa kayo nag-subscribe sa channel ko, well, mag-subscribe na kayo along with that bell button. So once again, I'm Jam of jamonline.ph, and thanks for watching this video about the OPPO F9 Jade Green.